Hello everyone, Pritam Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel for Native Coders. So in this PySpark video series, today we will learn how to handle null values in our competition pattern. So let's to our YouTube. So I have already created one data frame from CSV5. Okay. So CSV5 using the database file system. So from here I have included the file. So you can uh, by default it has taken. I have not mentioned the schema. By default it has taken all the column data as a string. Okay. So mm, here are multiple null values in the column. Okay. So how to handle this? So for handling this, we can mention any kind of value. We can keep any kind of value uh, for replacing the null value. Okay. So how to do that? Here, okay, that's in one second. Name.rename.field. So in here, any means the null. Wherever it is null, it will point out that place of that column. Okay. So and fill means you need to fill the this value, whatever value I will pass in this argument. Okay. So if I will pass it here, uh, 0 or 1 or anything, any kind of integer. So wherever the columns are integer, their null value place will be replaced by that value 0 or 1. Or if here I will replace I will place any kind of string, something like unknown. So wherever it is null value in the string column, the wherever the column value is null and the column is string data type, there it will be replaced the null value with unknown value. Okay. तो बेसिकली ये जहाँ पे तुम्हारा कॉलम का वैल्यू इंटीजर होगा, तो यहाँ पे अगर इंटीजर वैल्यू पास करवाओगे तो वही नल वैल्यू ये चेंज करवाएगा। अगर यहाँ पे तुम कोई स्ट्रिंग पास करवाते हो तो ओनली द कॉलम वैल्यू जो स्ट्रिंग डेटा टाइप में है उसका ही नल वैल्यू को रिप्लेस करेगा। तो देखते हैं, तो अगर मैं इसको करवाता हूँ तो ये सभी जगह रिप्लेस कर देगा क्योंकि सब मेरे पास अभी स्ट्रिंग नहीं है। ठीक है? सब नल पे अभी अननोन था, पर मुझे एज तो मुझे इंटीजर में चाहिए, एज तो अननोन नहीं चाहिए मुझे। तो यहाँ पे तुम्हें क्या करना पड़ेगा? पहले तो तुम्हें डेटा को ठीक से इम्पोर्ट करना पड़ेगा। तो इनपुट स्कीमा को चूज करके, ठीक है, इनपुट स्कीमा चूज। तो अगर तुम इनपुट स्कीमा को चूज करोगे तो ये डेटा का स्कीमा चेंज करके डिफॉल्ट स्कीमा नहीं लेगा। ये नॉर्मल जो स्कीमा तुम्हारा है बेस्ड ऑन द कॉलम वैल्यू, तो वही स्पार्क उसको सिलेक्ट कर लेगा। एम्प्लॉई आईडी इंटीजर, एम्प्लॉई नेम स्ट्रिंग एंड एज इंटीजर, सिटी स्ट्रिंग। ओके, यू अंडरस्टैंड नाउ? So now we can fill the null value as unknown. If I fill the null value as unknown, you can see only city it has changed. The null place of city it has changed to unknown because the city column is string, as I am passing here as a string now. If I will pass here as 0, okay, then only the integer column value will be changed, means the age. If I want to do the same thing for multiple columns, so what I do, you just pass the column value in the list. So, employee ID would be any zero, then it will be also replaced by zero. So this is the main fundamental. So now, if we want to mm, change the string column and also the integer column in the same time, so in that case, what we do? Basically, I want to tell that we want to replace the city column null value as with the unknown string and the age column null value with zero. So in this case, what we need to do? So basically, here in this case, we just need to pass the argument using a dictionary key value method. Okay, so I'll show you. I will pass the argument and on the fill function. Okay, so here for the each column, I will take zero. So just selecting each column. So what will be its value? Zero. For the city column, I will take unknown. So just pass the value as a string. Okay. Now just you can see for both the column which are different data type, it also changed in a single time. Okay. So basically, in this way, we can handle the null value of a dataset. Okay, I think you have understood the concept. Okay, if you like my video, please do like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, uh, your support is really much required to us. It will motivate us also if you like, comment, and share our videos. Okay, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching our video. Bye.